We have a new update. We just added the Graph Paper widget, which means you now can create different kinds of graph papers like you see here on the hub page. So with the Graph Paper widget, you can create graph papers that are dashed like this one here. You can create just graph papers with different colors, and you can also adjust the thickness of the lines as well. So to add the Graph widget to your template, open the widget menu and then go to Notes, and then you want to select this Graph Paper widget you see right here. So click on that widget and you will see a very faded grid appear on the template. And then in the settings you can further adjust it. So you can, for example, set how big you want the grids to be. For example, you can set it to 5 millimeters, for example. And then you can also change the line color, maybe make it darker for this tutorial so you can see it. You can adjust the line width, which means the line thickness. You can make it as thick or as thin as you want, like this. And then what you can do as well is also have it dashed. So here you have an option to have it dashed or not. You can make the dashed lines as long or as short as you would like to. Then besides that, you can also change the graph style. So right now it is set to plain box. You can also have it multicolor like this. This will give you a second color option. So click on the color dot and then you can select a second color. So as you see, you can make it bigger or you can make it smaller. And then you can also set it to circles or normal dot paper like this. You can also have a chess paper. So maybe this would look nicer if the second color would be maybe white. And then you can set the chess to any other color you would like to. So you can have it as a faded pink, in blue, or any other color. And then we also have the alternating line. So here with the alternating line, you also have two color options. And then you can create something that looks like this. As always, you can also make adjust the line width here as well, make it thinner or thicker. You can also have it dashed, or you can have solid lines. And then you also have a Moorish pattern, which looks like this. So it's a grid pattern that looks like this. Then here you can also change the color of the grid. You can make the lines thicker or thinner, and you can also have it dashed, or you can have solid lines. Then lastly we have the inverted grid, which looks like this, where the lines are white and then the background you can set it to a different color. So you can also play around with this type of graph paper. You can make the lines bigger or thinner, and you can also have it dashed or not dashed. And by the way, you can make the grids as big or as small as you would like to. You can even set it to 2 millimeters or 1 millimeter, and this will make it really small, as you see here. So you can really play around with it and see what type of grids you like. So this was how you can work with the Graph Paper widget. If you have any questions, feel free to always message me on Instagram or Facebook, and I will try to respond to your questions as quickly as I can. Bye!